We often talk about individual beauty treatments that can enhance your overall look. Well, now the beauty coach and her team have created a series of treatments that, when combined, the results are even more brilliant. Dr. Ann-Therese Stubbs is here now with more. Good to see you, Dr. Ann.
Thanks for having me.
So we're talking about two laser treatments today. So the first one we're going to talk about is Clear and Brilliant. What's that one all about?
Clear and Brilliant is a non-ablative laser, and what that means is it's not peeling the skin, it's not taking off the surface. I explain it to my patients as almost like, you know how your lawn gets aerated, little kind of dots they put in there? This is little dots of laser energy. So these are little microthermal zones that go down into the skin, and they basically can ablate pigment and they can generate more collagen. So Clear and Brilliant is a laser for texture and can clear some pigment as well. So when people want less pore size maybe, or a better texture to their skin, and we're seeing a video of somebody getting this right now. We blow some cold air on them as we do it. It's a little warm but very tolerable. We put a little numbing cream on the face beforehand, and that little laser just pokes, like I said, microscopic little kind of microthermal zones. So the face is a little bit red afterwards. You can kind of see the areas we've been over are turning just a little bit pink in this video, but certainly nothing that's bright red or peeling, or nothing that you can't hide.
It looks pretty gentle when you think about a laser and she's talking and seemingly not in any amount of pain.
Very, very comfortable procedure, just a little warm. You might feel as though you have a sunburn when you leave. The beauty of it too is you can put makeup on right afterwards.
Oh, so cover up that little bit of pink, right?
So folks who say, I don't want to miss any work, I don't want to miss my kid's soccer game, I want to go right back to living my daily life, this is a wonderful laser for that.
And the other one that you're going to talk about today, the IPL. So what does that stand for?
IPL is intense pulse light. It's also called BBL. We have the machine that's called broadband light. So you'll hear IPL and BBL kind of thrown around. Those are both the same actual technology. It's different wavelengths of light that target reds and browns. So if you had red broken blood vessels on your face you wanted to address, or the brown spots which would come with age, would come with some sun exposure, all these things that kind of start the brown spots that start after summer, all those things can be addressed with IPL. It also, it does build collagen as well. So it works more on the reds and browns, and the Clear and Brilliant works more on some of the brown pigment and the texture as well. So we like to combine them.
And how long does each of these take? Because if you're going to get both, you probably need to prepare for that, right?
Right, and we largely don't do them the same day. You're watching an IPL treatment right now, or BBL, broadband light, and so we put some gel on the face. There's no need to numb it at all. It's just cold ultrasound gel that goes on the face, and you see a big flash of light, and that flash of light feels almost like a little rubber band snapping against the skin, but once again, very, very comfortable. Patients don't complain about not being able to get through it, or I need pain medicine to get through that. There's none of that. Very comfortable procedure, targets the reds and browns, so you might look a little flushed when you leave, but once again, a little bit of sunblock, you can put makeup right on and go back to your daily activities.
So as far as downtime, there virtually isn't any with either of these lasers, right?
Exactly. A little more redness with the Clear and Brilliant, but nothing that can't be covered with a little bit of makeup and go right back to work or your activities.
So if you're doing these in unison together, how long do you have to wait in between them?
Usually we do one month, and then the next month. So usually we'll do a package of, say, 3 or 4 of the Clear and Brilliants, and we'll intersperse an IPL in there as well. So maybe the month of January you do your IPL, February a Clear and Brilliant, March is back to an IPL, and we put that package together so we're addressing both the browns and the reds, and we're addressing the texture of the skin. So basically, patients come in once a month and they get either one or the other, and the package we put together with all of these is a package of 6 of them, so alternating with the IPL and the Clear and Brilliant, and we've included all the products in it as well. So that's kind of nice because patients don't know what product to use with what, and they're kind of confused as to what to buy after this laser, this. Everything's included in the package, so the instructions are there as to what to use on your face that whole month in between that's going to maintain your result. Because I always tell people, when you've spent that much money clearing up your skin, let's keep it that way.
Let's keep it that way.
Yes,
great
protect
advice.
your investment, exactly.
All right, all you have to do is call Dr. Ann. You can visit the website, all that up on screen. Thanks, Dr. Ann.
Thanks for having me.